Hey, good afternoon. Hey, I have an idea, and we're going to go through this together because I've had this globe for a very, very long time, like maybe even since I was a kid. But I actually have an idea for an intro video and some stock photography purely based on this globe. So let's work through this together, see what happens. I like where this is going, but I want more of a set. We have the Tiffin close-up filter, 77 millimeters to fit on the front of my lens. Tiffin +4 on the magnifying. So, and just one flashlight. I mean, literally this whole image is being lit by one flashlight because I don't have any hot lights. But yeah, one flashlight, very simple set. And once we get to editing, we will see what this comes up with because I like the simplicity of this. I still have an idea of figuring out a way to zoom in to the place because we're in Washington State and I want to highlight Washington State. So let me keep playing. Okay, everybody, as you can see, we've changed the lighting a little bit. Still only one light. This is just the softbox. It's only on modeling because I wanted the warm tungsten glow and just two black cards. And we're going to do some still photos with the Canon 6D. I've got the 24 to 105 zoom on it right now with the Tiffin ×4 close-up filter. So I'm pretty happy with the way it's coming out. So let's see what you guys think. Oh yes, and I get to wear readers now because I'm over 50. Okay, now we're going to switch to video because I have an idea that I want to try here. So bear with me. Zoom in on Portland. And then what I want to do is spin it. And we'll reverse this in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, we're going to switch to the Tiffin +10. Now, just because I want to see what it looks like. The one thing that's annoying is that these are threaded. Get a spider. Okay, crisis averted. Spider moved from inside of my daughter's room to the outside. So back to what we're doing. So let's see here. We were trying to focus on this with the 10. The 10 is just too much. Too much cowbell.